Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team, making the watch list video for Monday, 28th, 29th, I think 30th. What is it? Today's the 27th. It's Friday, 28th Saturday, 29th Sunday, 30th Monday. Cool. So doing the watch list for Monday, I'm doing it here Friday to get it out of the way, get it going for you guys so you guys can have some time ideally to watch it, let it sink in this weekend. Just to show you something pretty cool. I've been working all day long trying to get, we're doing a candlesticks ebook for you guys and then like a wallpaper background and stuff. So we're reaching out to our artist and should have that done in the next few weeks, but show you something kind of cool. This is an example of what I'm doing for you guys, showing you guys some real world examples of stuff. We're going to put it into like a whole wallpaper background. We're also going to put it into to an ebook for you guys as well. So basically taking our whole candlesticks course, the two that we're going to have, we're actually going to probably have the second one done maybe by next week, if not the weekend after or the week after. So as you can see, candlesticks course up here. We'll have the second one over coming up soon. But you'll see in our candlesticks course, I just show you guys pictures right here of what something looks like, right? And then under the members only section, we have a video that for private members that are the ones that are paying members, we have a video on how to trade all of these patterns. We're also going to have another one for the second course. The second course is going to be basically on reversal patterns. So a pattern like you see here, basically an evening star pattern right here. And we're going to show you in both in the ebook and our wallpaper backgrounds, the entries in the stop area. So you're going to have videos on where to enter and where to have the stops. You're going to have ebook as well. And you're also going to have wallpaper background that you can have on your desktop, or you can print it out as well if you're old school, kind of like me, like to print it, maybe have it at your desk at work or something like that. So we're working on all that good stuff. We're going to make it look a little bit better, cool, more artistic, but just to show you, I'm just going basically through about 60 different patterns, all real world patterns, putting this together. We're writing the ebook, doing all that good stuff. That's why I've been kind of MIA the past couple days or so. So we're going to have all this kind of good stuff coming for you guys. So this stuff should be really helpful for you guys so that when you're trading our watch list, these patterns will start to jump out at you and make a lot of sense. We're also going to change our daily watch list. We're going to make it a little bit more, add more on for you guys. Basically, our day trade watch list, I was doing stocks between 30 cents and $10. Now I'm going to move them up from 30 cents to between probably, let's say, $15 to $20. Get you guys some bigger stocks as well. So we're still going to be doing the swing trade watch list. We'll probably do swing trade anywhere for $20 up to 100, 150 or so. But our day trade watch list, we're going to expand it now and get you some more stocks on there, anywhere between the $10 to $20 range to get you more, better stocks to trade for those that like to trade, stocks between $10 to $20, right? So we'll see what pops up today if there's anything good on there. But just take a look at the market here. Here's the futures. Here's today. Still kind of in that descending triangle-ish pattern. In a good old kind of hammer-ish pattern right over here. Kind of close to tweezer tops right there. So that is not necessarily good. So it's kind of got a hammer pattern, but kind of got tweezer tops. Moving averages, our average lines are sideways. So I don't know. This thing is just not looking great. Got to break out of these areas over here. Otherwise, it's still kind of in that descending triangle pattern. So let's actually, let me take a look at Bitcoin here too as well, because a lot of people like Bitcoin. Similar to like we've been showing you guys here, basically in this descending triangle right here. That double top area was a big area of resistance. Also that 10,000 range right here. That's going to be right around there. 10,000 is going to be huge resistance as well. So price, you can see right here, if you look over here, it's struggling around the base of that double top pattern. Again, all these patterns are extremely, extremely important. So if you're new and you don't know what I'm talking about, the good news is just, again, go over to our website and we have about $3,000 worth of courses. Start off at candlesticks course, and then just go and find out, you know, where you want to learn. Do you want to be a day trader, momentum trader, swing trader, option trader? We set everything up, right? Free courses over there. So, again, these patterns mean everything. My watch list videos, the watch list, the alerts, they don't mean anything to you unless you know how to trade candlesticks. You cannot, absolutely cannot skip learning candlesticks. I can't stress the importance of it because candlesticks form patterns, and these patterns form very important support and resistance levels. So you can see here a descending triangle. Within that descending triangle, you can see double top. You can see bear flags, bear flags, bear flags, right? You can kind of see almost like a double bottom here. So a bottom here, kind of, where you can see an inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and neckline. So you kind of have an inverse head and shoulders right below a double top. So now it's going to break below the base of that double top, and then it's got to go back up here. And if this area rejects, then you can have a potential triple top, right? All these patterns form support and resistance. So incredibly important. All right, so let's start off on the watch list. We're looking for stocks that are either holding their highs in the day to potentially continue upwards or to break out, or stocks that are holding their lows on the day to either break down, you know, or continue down, right? So I let the scans show me what the potential plays are. So ABCFF, don't like it. Right here, it's a little doji, kind of choppy over here, so I'm not really fond of that. ACAD, ACAD. Let's see. Kind of got a double top pattern there. Not really fond of that one. ACRX, nope. ADVM, possible. Let's see. So let's go to the hourly. Possible. Let's take a look at this one here. Chart it out. Might be starting to break out there. You can kind of see, kind of got a triangle, almost like a symmetrical triangle going there. So it might be potentially breaking out of a symmetrical triangle right now. So keep an eye on that, and you can see some resistance right on that 685. So let's put at or above. Ah, I knew it. I knew it's too good to be true. See this? How it moves in 5-cent increments? That's a 5-cent spread stock. I don't trade those. I don't like those. So, not going to put that on. Next one, AGLE. Let's take a look here. Let's kind of go down here. And let's see, do I like it? 884, no, it rejected. So no, I don't like that one. AKRX. Kind of pull back. Let's see, look at the hourly. Might be potentially bull flagging there. So let's take a look. See some resistance right at that 1550 area, the 9 EMA. Right around that 1550. Let's go back to the hourly. So let's go back over here. So you can see some resistance right on that 9 EMA, and then obviously the base of this gap right over here, right? Got that gap. Might be looking to possibly go up into that area at some point. and kind of has some higher lows, so might be bull flagging for a potential breakup. Gotta watch and see. So let's put 1454. So let me do this. So we'll put at or above 1454. Watch for continuation with resistance at 9 EMA around 1550-ish. Right around there. So AKRX. So there you go. We got one over $10 here. We're starting to add some better ones on here for you guys. Give you guys some diversity when trading. And why does that say that? At or above. All right, that's right. All right, so next one, $8, like that. I can't tell if it's it is a 5-cent stock. I just knew it. It's these stocks that have these like weird shapes like that. I don't like that. I can tell that they're a 5-cent stock when I see them, 5-cent spread stock, and I just don't like them. No. Nope. Nope. Take a look at the hourly. Might be bull flagging. It's kind of tough there. That one right. It's throwing me off a little bit. Let's take a look at the daily again. Approaching a little bit overbought. Might be pulling back here. So might kind of pull back, retest to go back up. Let's see. I'm going to skip it. Bit overextended. I'd look for... That's a potential short. Let's see, right around there. Look at that. So that resistance right over here, right on that 930 area. Let's go to the hourly. Overextended. So this is one, again, more than 3 green days, several of them. It is easy to borrow, so you could borrow it, meaning short it. Please be not a 5-cent stock. For crying out loud. Well, this would have been or is a potential short. I just won't put it on the list. Dang it. It's annoying. Let's see. We have some resistance. Right at the base of that gap at 820. Also some right there around 768. Let me look at the hourly. A little bit overextended. If you can break 760s, watch for the gap. Let's see. All right, so let's do this. I'm going to put it at 7. Let me move it up to 750. Okay. So I want a price to get over 750. But if price can get above the 768 marker, might watch the base of that gap around 820. So BKD 742. Watch if price can get above 768 area and broach bottom of gap around 820. So it has to get above 750, then above that 768, then you have that gap around 720. Boom, right there. Between 820 to 881, that gap. So BKD, let's put that one on. BKD. All right. Cool. Next up, CGIP. I don't know if I like. Still flirting around in that gap. Kind of a cup and a handle. Don't love it. CHEK. No. Got some resistance there around 250. That might be an inverse head and shoulders. A little bit, or that is an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline at 250. Man, that might be setting up. It is overextended, but it's worth watching. That's a big inverse head and shoulder. That thing's beautiful. Overextended, could easily crash, but that's definitely one to absolutely watch. Major inverse head and shoulders. I put some resistance right around $3 at least. Yeah. Whole and $1/2 amounts. So, inverse head and shoulders, bullish pattern. You want to see that thing get above for a potential break. Has a history of pumping, right? And then dumping, pumping, dumping. So last time it touched this area, it did reject. So this could easily go up, hit 250 and fall back down. It may do that again. So got to watch and see. So alert. Major inverse head and shoulders. Look for a potential breakout or break down right at 250. So this is either going to go up and reject hard at that 250 like it did before, or it might go and break above. It is overextended, so you got to watch and see. One to definitely watch, CVM. All right. EBIO. Man, still really overextended, but it's holding that 250 area. Might be looking to break out. Things struggle. It's being stubborn. So watch for it to potentially break out over 250. It's overextended, pull back a little bit, but it is a pumper and a dumper, right? So let's see if it can move up further. $251 at or above. Overextended. However, right at $0.50. See if it will get another pump. So it has a history of pumping and dumping, right? Pump and dump, pump and dump. So it's right at that 250. You want to see that thing pump up. And then obviously you look out for the dump, because it probably will. Right? All right, let's take a look at some more. Like that pattern. Don't like the choppiness of it. Not a lot of volume. Kind of like, it's just a messy looking chart. I don't like it. Nope. Shooting star. Popped up. Got a shooting star there, so that's potentially bearish. Oh, Callaway, huh? Oh, it's a bigger one. So we might actually put that one on for a potential short. Let me see. If it falls below 1776, there is a gap down here, 1750. So shooting stars are a bearish play. So if price falls below this 1775 area, it's got some room to potentially short down. Got to watch and see. So let's take a look at, let's see here. Shooting star. If price breaks below 1780s, watch for potential gap fill of gap below in 1750s. All right, let's take a look at this. So 1780, watch it fall right below to the 1750, between 1750 and $17. Below, between 17 to 1750, right? Shooting star, if price breaks below 1780s, watch for potential fill of gap below between 17 to 1750. Right here, right? That's what we're looking at. ELY, Callaway. All right. ENDP, no. Got a piercing pattern here. Got the resistance up here though, so don't like it. FBP, bit overextended. Some support here, could pull back. No, don't like it. Nope. GNCA, no. GMPX, sloppy. Nope. Right around 20 bucks. Could be, let's take a look at the hourly. Bit overextended. Cup and handle. So you have a kind of cup and handle pattern right here. So let's take a look at the daily. Resistance around 20 bucks. It's a bit over, it's broaching overextended. But you have kind of this big cup kind of pattern forming with, on the hourly, kind of a cup and a handle. So this is kind of, and it's bull flagging. So this one might have a pop up to 20 bucks. So let's take a look, put some support right over here. So, so cup, big cup on the daily. Watch for major resistance right below 20 bucks. So let's do this. 1868. Big cup on the daily. Watch for continuation with resistance below $20. There we go. IRWD. Let's see. Okay, so we do have one there. Perfect for short. All right, KN, nope. Nope. Possible. Just has that resistance there at the moving averages, so I don't like it. No. A little bit overextended for me. No. Possible. So my resistance right there on that 240 range. This is Office Depot getting destroyed. Take a look here. Might be trying to break out of this downtrend. Might be trying to get out of that channel. Let's take a look on the daily. Kind of got this falling wedge kind of pattern here. Might be trying to break out. So let me do this. Show you guys something cool. If you guys have been taking my candlesticks course, it's falling wedge. Might be looking to break out of it. You can see this kind of has it down more, even right over here. So it might be trying to break out of a falling wedge. So got to get above that 237 price. Let me go to the daily. Yeah, right around there. So let's take a look here. All right. Price in falling wedge may be looking to break out. Watch. Let's see. Watch for resistance at 50 SMA and needs to get above 250. ODP, Office Depot. There we go. Cool. All right, OHGI. Maybe looking to move up. Got that a bunch of that resistance there, so I don't like it. ONVO, new Sprint. Good old Sprint, huh? I think there's news of a potential, was it buyout or something with T-Mobile? Closer. Look at that drop, huh? 662 down to 556. I'm going to stay far away from that one. I don't really know what's going on with that one, so I haven't been paying attention. SPHS, don't like it. No. SUNW, nope. TRVN, nope. TV, I don't like it. UAA, is that Under Armour? Kind of a messy looking pattern. Look at the hourly. Yeah, it's kind of got an ascending triangle look to it. So this is a little bit messy, a little tricky to trade, so I'm not going to put that one on. VIPs. No. Let me look again one more time at Under Armour. Go back to the hourly. Kind of see. It's kind of got this symmetrical, close to ascending triangle-ish pattern. It's hitting this resistance. It broke out here, but it may be setting up here on the hourly again. Let's see on the daily. it's one to keep an eye on. Definitely one to keep an eye on. It's just these triangles get a little tricky. So you can see these overhead resistance right here, 1820 area, 1876. So let's go back to the hourly. 1875. All right, so let's do this. I want it to get above, it's 824, it's 1824 today. And then be careful right up at that, 1875. All right, so let's do this, 1783. Sorry guys, I'm super tired doing a lot of this candlestick stuff for you guys. Making me tired, been looking at charts like crazy. At or above, so price may be trying to get out of triangle. If can get above $18, watch for resistance around 1875. Boom. There we go. And that is the where is it? 1875. I want to be careful here. So if we can get above this 1780s, get above $18, watch for 1875. If that rejects, that would be a double top. So you want to be careful. UAA, Under Armour. And almost done, getting closer to the end here. Oh, no. Kind of got an inverse head and shoulders. Let's take a look at the hourly. Kinda. Might be setting up. A little overextended. We have enough so far, so I don't want to just put that one on. No. No. And no. All right, so that is the watch list. And for those newbies that are new, I'll just go over a few things with you guys. First of all, if you haven't joined our community, come and join us on Facebook. We are the Bullish Bears. We call ourselves the stock market community just to differentiate ourselves from our name, Bullish Bears, from our fan page. So feel free to come and join our community if you haven't already. Like and follow our fan page for updates. Sometimes it's very hard to stay in touch with us in our group because it's so big. Obviously 29,000 members and growing like crazy. So like and follow our fan page, come and join us. Again, this is a great place for you to ask questions. If you have questions about anything to do with the stock market, ask in our community. We do our best to answer emails, but if people send basic questions all day long, kind of bogs us down. So much easier if you just ask them in the community and also take our courses, right? Take our courses, ask in the community. That's how you learn. Interact with people. We keep all the spammers and the trolls out. If you see anything you don't like in our community, like somebody says something or a bad comment or they're a troll, or they're negative, or they say something ridiculous, just very simple, report it, right? Report the comment, report the post. We take a look at it as soon as possible. Usually it doesn't last more than an hour or two. We're usually a lot quicker than that. We have some great mods. So again, great place to come and learn, interact, ask all your questions over in our community here. That's why we have it, right? If you haven't been over to our website yet, link is below. We are the Bullish Bears. A few things over here. So we have a day trading room and a swing trading / options room over here. This is where the action really takes place each day. So you'll see that I make these watch list videos, or a couple times a week, 2-3 times a week for the videos, but we send out the watch list every single day. This video is strictly only for our day trade watch list, right? Or you can swing trade these now, right? So we're adding some higher price stocks on here to make them so you can swing trade them if you want. But we also do a specific swing trade watch list as well, with alerts on our swing trade watch list. We do those after this video. Again, our swing trade watch list and alerts are for paid members. Again, if you watch our watch list videos, we know that you could watch these every single day and get the alerts and not subscribe and not pay us $10. So God bless you. If you guys want to watch these videos every single day, not pay $10 a month and take our day trade alerts, then good for you, right? But if you want to save yourself the time of watching them every single day, pay the $10. We email them out. The alerts, both the day trading and the swing trading runs each day. So again, day trading room, swing trading room, great place to learn. Take our watch list, upload our alerts into whatever brokerage account that you use, and then come into whatever room you prefer. Day trading room, swing trading room. Swing trading room with the options is a little bit slower, obviously, because you're not getting in and out of trades as much as the day trade room. So again, choose whatever room is best for you. And, open up a virtual account with Thinkorswim or Interactive Brokers or another virtual account or a company that you like and practice. Make hundreds of practice trades. Hundreds. That's right. I said hundreds. I didn't say 10 or 20 or 30. I said hundreds. It takes months, if not a year plus, to be comfortable with trading. Again, the good news for you guys is we're only $10 per month, so you can take a year of your life and it'll cost you the cost of an Amazon Prime membership, right? Most companies charge 100 plus, a month at least for their memberships. We're $10 per month or 100 for the year. We just make trading affordable for pretty much everybody. No faulting, no knocking them. It's just we're different, right? Someday we may raise prices. That's not our intention. But no guarantees, right? So alerts, we have our alert service here. Our alerts are much different than other companies. Read about our alerts over here. Again, thousands of dollars worth of free trading courses, tons of content over here. If you're new, there is a lot of information. The good news is we're saving you a few $1,000s without having to pay for it. So if you're new, take our courses. Watch an hour or two a day. Practice day trading or swing trading with options or whatever you feel comfortable with in our trade rooms. And then when you get very comfortable and you're making 60, 65% at least win ratio on your trades, then scale up with real money. Don't trade with real money first until you master a practice account, right? Very simple. And a couple of our trusted partners that we work with, Trade Ideas and Market Club, two of our favorite scanners of choice. If you want to become a successful trader, you will need a scanner. You can get away with the free scanners for a while or Thinkorswim for a while, but eventually, when you can afford it, we highly recommend getting your own scanner. We do give, show our Trade Ideas scanner for free to our members each day. That saves you $120 a month. So again, a little bit pricey for Trade Ideas, but they are our favorite. We believe they're the best scanner out there. We get you a 15% discount if you use this code here, BullishBears15. Make sure you click on our links. We get credit for it in the community. We'd really appreciate it. But if you don't have the money for Trade Ideas right now, just use our screen share each day until you can afford it. Get your own copy and then kind of tailor it and tweak it however you'd like. Market Club is a really great swing trading scanner. You can do day trading with it, but we prefer it when we use it more for swing trading. It's really good. They have these triangle notifications that allow you, that basically send you a text or an email when an alert goes off with swing trades that you're looking at. It's a really, really great tool. And the good news, it's about half the price of Trade Ideas, and you can try it out for 2 weeks. So just click the banner here. So again, we don't put spam, we don't put crappy companies that we don't believe in. Trade Ideas, Market Club, extremely reputable companies. So again, try them out, test them out over here. And when you can afford them, again, we recommend picking up your own copies. And I'm done rambling here. Again, $10 a month. It's self-explanatory. All of this content is what we give you now. Again, we're going to be adding an advanced candlesticks course on top of the regular candlesticks course, on top of a candlesticks ebook that we're going to give you, on top of a candlesticks desktop background, a couple of them, as well as videos on how to and where to enter and exit The trades, we can only give so much away for $10 a month, and we have just more stuff planned for you guys. So again, subscribe over here, right down over here. And last but not least, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notification bell, all that good stuff. And if you're still dying for more content, we have massive amounts over here of videos, just nonstop of just content, right? Keep you busy forever if you'd like. So that's what I got. Happy Trading Monday, happy weekend. Enjoy.